Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Hope so. You are very well and fantastic. This is me, Sir Yasir.
And this is me, Mohammed Zaid, as you know.
So, as we have once again, we are here. So, today we will talk about such a different topics and we will try our best and we will try to tell you regarding English speaking. As everybody knows that always we come for the conversation here. Today, I'm gonna just tell you that many people wanna speak English but they can't speak. But if I talk about those person, they can write easily, they can read easily, they can listen easily, but when they want to speak English, they can't speak, they can't express their words. What's the problem of that? Today we will discuss, and also I will ask some question from Mr. Zaid, and also he will try to utilize and he will try to motivate us that how you can and how can we speak better. Okay, Mr. Zaid, I have the question that many people are confused and many people got a lot of trouble that when they want to speak better but they don't speak on that time. What's the reason behind that?
Yeah, so this is a great question, and this is a marvelous question that has asked by you.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
sir, I have a great answer according to this question. You know, the lots of persons want to speak English language, and they are totally fond of speaking English. But when it comes to speak English language, they are unable to speak. Even they can easily write and they can speak, they can understand easily. But actually, what is the thing that is distracting them to speak English language? Only I have some great tips for you so that you can speak English language better. Now, well, first thing you have to do all the time, you have to practice, because as you have listened, the practice makes a man perfect. If you are practicing, so surely you're gonna speak English language confidently and perfectly. Now, second thing is that lots of person think that so we have to learn grammar. Firstly, we have to learn rules and regulations. So that's how we can speak English language fantastically easily. Yeah, this is good for you. You can speak English language by learning these all things, but you have to practice, because English language is an international language, and everybody wants to speak English language, and everybody wants to communicate with each other and with any person. Now, that's how you can communicate with each person. Just you have to practice. Suppose if you have environment of speaking Sindhi, or speaking of Urdu, just you have to make a great environment of speaking English. Even your friends, your relatives are speaking Sindhi with you. Just you have to be so polite, and you have to speak English language with them. If you speak English language them, if you speak English language confidently with them, so surely you are going to speak fantastically. And third thing is that so you have to practice in front of mirror. If you practice in front of mirror, you will point out and you will know your body language, which kind of body language I have and which kind of body language I'm using and consuming. If you know your body language, and also you have to utilize your body language according to your words that the words are spoken by you. So that's how you can enhance your English language. Just you have to practice all the time. And second thing is that you have to make a marvelous and fantastic and fabulous environment with those who are sitting around you and who are sitting with you. So thank you so much, and these are my points. Just you have to very contemplate these all things. You have to have a look on these all things, and that's how you can improve yourself.
Okay, so is Mrs. Zaythul, he's a great person, as everybody knows that he's a very younger person, and I can say that he's the youngest for me, and he's my talented student, and he's my colleague now, and he teaches with me, okay, in academy. Just we wanna just always purpose and always motivation for you that spoken is such important. If you have the spoken skill now, you are the great person in this society. You have the great impression. So as we have shared, as we have mentioned these type of tips, try to utilize them, everybody, and try to communicate with everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time and for listening us. Allah bless you all.